Hey guys, JC here with Thumper Fab, and we're here to check out the rear winch headache rack for the CFMOTO UForce 1000 and 1000 XL. So this all-in-one design has easy bolt-on mounting points to the rear roll cage that make the installation process an absolute breeze on your CFMOTO, yet still be able to keep your factory roof, rear poly windshields, other accessories that you're utilizing back here. With our integrated winch up high, this allows you to tow or haul into the bed up to 1,500 pounds of lifting assistance. So if you're really bringing home that big trophy, this is going to help you load it. Now, we've used this same design and same setup on our Rangers and Defenders. We've had these out on several hunts now, and this is an absolute breeze, especially when you're getting that big trophy elk, that big bull elk needing loading it up. So this really makes that an absolute breeze. For my hog hunters, the same thing. Get that pig, wrap a rope around it, pull it up into the bed, you're off back to camp. Our MOLLE webbing here along the back allows for easy tool attachments. We also have integrated mounting points for gun mounts, tool mounts, Rotopax mounts. Makes it real easy to mount some Rotopax fuel containers, water jugs. Really take what you need and pack it out with you, but yet still keep your bed open for, I don't know, cooler, deer, whatever you're hauling that day. So keep the tools and all that you need with you up out of the bed, nice and dry, yet have that winch right there when you need it. We also have mounting locations up top next to the winch for our 3-inch work lights. These cube lights also match and complement the style of your rear bumper and front bumper on your UForce with those stealth optics, and giving you quad row LEDs, twice the amount of light output and LEDs as a similar 3-inch light. Make sure that you've got plenty of light shining in the direction that you need it. Comes great for helping load that nice trophy up. Our winch system also comes with a nice and handy wireless remote, or when you lose that sucker or forget to charge the battery, we've got a wired one to make sure you still get loaded up too. So check this out and more ways to thump out your CFMOTO on thumperfab.com, or check us out YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You know, just find us, or find us on the trails or at the camp. Yeah, we'll be there too. We'll see you there.